everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a 2 brand tutorial. That means I have used makeup products from only 2 brands to create this look over here. The 2 brands are MAC and HUDA Beauty, and they are 2 of my most favorite brands. I actually wanted to do a 1 brand tutorial, but I did not have any face makeup products from HUDA Beauty or any eyeshadow or blush from MAC. I could have used a lipstick instead of blush and eyeshadow, but I wanted more options, so I just thought of using 2 brands. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. First, I'm using the Strobe cream from MAC instead of a moisturizer. I'm just blending it out with this tiny blending brush. For my foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC40. I'm first dotting this foundation all over my face. Now I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender. For my under eye concealer, I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42. I'm applying it under my eyes with my finger. I'm also blending it out with my finger. Now whatever's left on my finger, I'm just applying it to my eyelids. Now to set my concealer in place, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC40. I'm just applying a little bit of it to the area where I applied the concealer. I'm also applying it to my eyelids. Then I'm taking the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette. I'm taking this dark brown shade over here and using an angled brush, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I did them too dark today, but that's okay. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm taking the shade Eden right over here. It's a nice light peachy shade. It's perfect for transition color, and I'm applying it in my crease. I'm putting the color in my outer V and also in my inner V. Then I'm taking the shade Amber over here and I'm putting it in my crease and also in my outer and inner V again. Then I'm taking this brown shade Oud over here and I'm just darkening up the colors. I'm applying it in my outer V and my inner V. And I'm going to join the two from my crease. Then I'm taking a flat brush and some foundation and I'm applying it in the center of the lid. Then I'm taking this color Nefertiti and applying it in the center of my lid. I'm just cheating a bit and I'm using this glitter eyeliner. It's not from MAC or Huda Beauty, but I just wanted more glitter. Then again I'm taking the shade Amber and just blending the colors in so that it doesn't look harsh. Then I'm putting the colors Amber and Oud under my eyes. Then I'm using this sample size mascara and using it as an eyeliner. I'm taking this tiny brush and applying it in my lower waterline. I'm also applying it in my upper waterline. Then I'm taking the black shade from the Smokey Obsessions palette and I'm just applying a little bit on the top of it. Then I'm using the same mascara on my lashes. I'm applying it to my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm applying false eyelashes. Again, they are not from Huda Beauty or MAC. Then I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC43. It's a little bit dark for me, so I'm using it as a bronzer. I'm taking this brown shade over here and using it to contour. I'm putting very little bit. I'm just blending it out with this fluffy brush. I'm taking this color from the Smokey Obsessions palette and I'm applying it in my inner corner. I'm also applying it on my brow bone. Then I'm taking the shade Saffron and using it as a blush. For my highlighter, I'm using the MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish in the shade Oh Darling. I'm applying it on the highest points of my cheeks. I'm also taking a little bit of this color and using it as a highlighter. I'm also applying the highlighter on my nose, chin and my forehead, and also Cupid's bow. For my lip liner, I'm using the Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Trendsetter. For the lipstick, I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Icon. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty lip strobe in the shade Snobby. I'm applying a little bit in the center of my lips. I'm blending it out with my finger. Finally, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus to set my face. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.